My name's James Price. I'm an artist working at the moment on the exterior design for the South Geelong station. I use the station quite a bit and I know the community around there, and so it really helped me understand kind of how to think about the artwork. Traditionally I usually make murals, or I do what's sort of called like social practice-based work, where I'll go and work with a particular community of people. It's really easy when you work by yourself to become so insular and get very caught up in the details. And then you come and you work with like a community like this, and you get a chance to understand what's happening outside of me. So my idea for the project is really about kind of showing how sport in this community in particular is this sort of thread that runs through everything and connects everybody in terms of thinking about the ways we sort of all engage with sport as a concept, but also it's sort of broad enough so that you can interpret it in a lot of different ways, and you could see the artwork over a long period of time and see different things. I feel like if this was a co-created project, there'd be a lot of, can't we just make a big cats thing and put it across the station? I think that would probably make me wildly popular. But it's important to represent sort of everybody who uses the station and to think about everybody in that context. And so it does feel like a lot of responsibility to make something that links to what's happening in the community and the broader kind of context of what they wanted the work to be about. So traditionally my work is really vibrant, and there's a lot of colour and a lot of energy. And so I'm trying to figure out how to kind of make that work. Like, I love sport and I love making art, and sometimes those tend to be quite binary things, but for somebody who sort of happily likes to exist in both of those places, I read this brief and I thought it's not very often that the arts world wants to talk about sport in that way, which I think is kind of a shame, because culturally they have so much alignment, and when they overlap it becomes something really new and exciting. So the minute I saw it I thought this is a really unique brief and such an interesting project for somebody like me to work on. It's lovely to think that, you know, in 15, 20 years time, someone will walk past and see that and think, oh, that's pretty cool. I'm really proud that it will be out there, and I hope the community feels a sense of ownership over it and that they feel like it becomes theirs.